Why Accenture is number one in India? I believe the reason is because of the core values. We are fundamentally very strong, and each one of the employee in Accenture follows the core values very stringently, and there is no excuses for that. So I think we are the best in India.
I feel Accenture is number one in all the aspects, as we don't have, core values is not only meant to as a statement. We all mean the words, the client value creation, respect for individual. As we have in our deal, we respect each individuals, it's irrespective of their positions, their levels.
Core values have been set so rightly, and they are so much relevant to our day-to-day work.
Core value is the backbone of the Accenture. As we know, Accenture has the 6 core values, makes Accenture special for its people and for its clients also, and which makes us special for me in the huge Accenture family.
And Accenture give opportunity to each and every individual to improve their professional development. Even our supervisor, managers help us. They guide us in our feedback session, how to improve it and how to grow for the next level.
We have a forum called as Ladders for Leaders, wherein we are trained to how to go to the next level and what are the skills required, which is really a good initiative.
We are really motivated to continue in Accenture because I believe personally the organization takes care about one's career, and fundamentally the organization has spent a lot time, energy, money on grooming. I am pretty much sure that Accenture is the best place to work.
I feel for female employees the best place to work, as we have Accenture cabs been provided, and it's like if you're going after 7 p.m. they'll be calling each and every female employee who are there in the cab, whether you are the last stop or the first stop, they'll be calling each and every cab. So I think it's very safe to be here for the female employees as well.
Expecting mothers are provided with medical cabs and also provided with flexi timings if she wants. Then also working mothers are provided with crèche facility to leave their kids in the crèche and work in the office environment without any tension.
There is n number of safety measures that is taken care by Accenture, be it workstation, be it BCP, be it fire evacuation drills. I think we are pretty much prepared to face any kind of untoward incident here.
And the employee safety is almost given the same priority as it is given on any other given day.
In Accenture, we do have a global employee satisfaction survey conducted annually, where they do listen to our, where we can convey our concerns or issues can be raised, where do the leadership listen to our concerns and act accordingly.
If anything you feel in the organization is not working well, so that would be heard, and that would be analyzed by the leadership, and it will definitely be actioned. As an employee, I might be thinking that I have this concern which might not be heard by the leadership, but that is not true because of this GES.
Accenture is the best place to work in terms of work-life balance, and then the kind of trainings it provides. The new joiner who joins the Accenture, they provide trainings in terms of process-related trainings, and then also Accenture-related trainings. It builds confidence in him to take additional responsibilities and then build up his career in Accenture.
In Accenture, we have different presentations given by experts in different fields, wherein external guest speakers are invited to give their opinions and view and their expertise, which is, I think, a really true and good initiative.
We do have capability development trainings, Pharma Academy of Excellence. We have Accenture Management Development Academy in order to fine-tune our capabilities in the organization.
Accenture believes in continuous improvement and delivering the best, and employees are encouraged to do so. We have different forums wherein you can give your ideas and inputs, like We at Accenture.
So there is a platform which is known as We at Accenture, where every employee is motivated to go ahead and key in their ideas. Our team members are also feel their values are valued and they are motivated to come every day to office.
We have different forum as Lunch with Leadership, wherein you can speak to the leadership team on an informal note, and you can interact with them.
This rewards and recognition are part of our culture, which actually motivates every single employee to think beyond what actually they are performing, and each one of us are always trying to achieve high performance here.
Accenture is a great place to work. Related apart from production activities, we do have fun activities going at workplace, and we do have fun activities outside the place also. Recently we had a APL, Accenture Premier League, conducted by the Pharma, and it was nice to be part of the cricket tournament.
Accenture take care of his work-life balance of the employee very seriously. We have different talent shows wherein the employee can showcase their talent apart from the professional skills which they have. We have different trainings like online training, classroom training for the overall development of the employee.
I'm proud to be part of Pharma within Accenture. We are trying to help patients recover fast, in the sense we are trying to help the pharmaceutical organizations to bring the drugs to the market fast. So I think it's also to do with Accenture's vision. We want to make everybody's life better.
Employees are always felt the most important asset of this company. Like you can say, even the name Accenture came from one of its employees. So there is always a drive to get the most from the employees. That also makes everybody involved in Accenture, and we call that as Accenturization. The system in Accenture has been such that it's not only the time to time the feedback is taken from the employees, and if there are any changes that have to be brought in, they will be brought in a timely manner, right from the top leadership level to the employee level.
Accenture is like a family for me. I never felt that in this 4.5 years of experience, I never felt that I have been working out of my family. I always consider this as a home for me, and I really believe that Accenture truly deserves to be an #1 employer.
So I feel it's proud to be in Accenture, and Accenture best place to work on.